Merry Christmas! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Hitchem and welcome to another tutorial. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Starting off as usual using my MAC concealer. Since it's Christmas, I'm trying, since we are in the holiday season, I'm trying my best to give you a holiday glam. I don't normally set my eyeshadow base or my concealer when I use it on my lid, but today I will set it because I'm doing less with the eyes and I will concentrate on my lips because I will have a bold lipstick. Because I'm looking for a yellowish undertone. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going in again with my I don't like to do too much with my eyes because I'm going to opt for a bold lips. Gotta show.